Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve contract management with DocuSign, beginner guide step by step clearly. To improve contract management with DocuSign, start by creating a DocuSign account. Visit the DocuSign website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information to create your account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Next, upload your existing contracts. Click on the New button and select Send an envelope. Choose the option to upload documents from your computer. Select the contract files you wish to upload. After uploading, you can enter the recipient's email addresses. Decide on the signing order if multiple recipients are involved. Next, customize the message to your recipients if needed. Now, add fields for signatures and any other necessary information. Drag and drop the signature field to the appropriate locations in the document. Ensure that all required fields are included, such as date and initials. Once everything is set, click on Send. Your recipients will receive an email notification with a link to sign. After they sign, you will automatically receive a notification. You can easily track the status of your contract in the DocuSign dashboard. Access completed contracts by navigating to the Manage section. Here, you can view, download, or print your signed agreements. To improve future contract management, create templates for frequently used documents. Go to the Templates section and click on New. Select the option to create a new template from an uploaded document. Customize the fields as you did earlier and name your template. Save the template for future use. When needed, simply select your template to streamline the process. Using DocuSign also enhances security and compliance for your contracts. Regularly review your contract management processes to identify areas for improvement. By implementing these steps, you can significantly enhance your contract management efficiency with DocuSign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.